Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add variants to an existing products on Shopify. Now, if you already have a product with different variants or it doesn't have, it's only one product and you want to add like different colors, different sizes or add variants to your products, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Very simple. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Okay, so after guys, after you log in into your Shopify store, you want to click on products here, and then you want to find a product where you want to add another like color or another size, like add very different variants. Click on it, and after you click on the product, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here it says variant. Okay, you want to click on add options like size and color. Now that's exactly what you need. Okay, just click on it, and if you have a product with different sizes, you can just add the option 9, which is the size. For example, if it's like whatever. Now I'm going to add, for example, a product with a different color. Okay, now I'm going to click on add the color here, and here add value, for example, color green. Okay, I'm going to click on done. As you can see, the color I have added the Shopify, like I have added a product with the green color, as you can see. Now I'm going to add, for example, you can also add the price for the green color in case you want to change the price for other variants you have. If you have a product like with different variants and you want to add more, you can just add the price for each variant if you want, or you can just set one single price for all the colors and sizes. That's exactly how this works. Now if you click here on add another option, you can also add size and, for example, colors. If you have a product with different sizes, different colors, for example, here the option 9, you can change it to size, and here the option values, you can, for example, XL, XXL. For example, you can also add other, for example, here you can also make changes. For example, if you click on save, you can make some changes here. You can add as many colors and like sizes as you want. Here option, again, I would like to add another color, and the add value is going to be, okay, I'm going to add, okay, so here you can add as many colors here. Just click on the, here I'm going to add another value, green, and I'm going to add blue, for example. I'm going to click on done. I'm going to add for example, okay, so I'm going to change this. Okay, I'm going to add another here on the color options. Here, as you can see, I'm going to add green, blue, weight. I'm going to click done. I'm going to click, yeah. Now in the color section, I added 3 colors: green, blue, and weight. In the size, I have only added one size, which is XXL. I'm going to add another size, for example, M. I'm going to add, yeah, that's it. Here, the material, you can also add the material if you want, if you have like multiple, like if you want to add multiple. Now, after you are done, click on save. Okay, so I'm going to click on this delete, click on save after you are done. And if you scroll, if you go down, if you click on here, okay, if you click on the product, now you can see the product with different variations. Now I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on the product. Okay, so I'm going to click search. Okay, I'm going to click here. Okay, I'm going to click on the my Shopify store so they can check if this product now has different variations. I'm going to click on products. Okay, now this is the product. I'm going to click on this view on online store. Now as you can see, I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, now we have color. As you can see, we have green color, and size we have XL. As you can see, that's exactly, guys, how you can add different variants to your own Shopify store. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Very simple and quick. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so like I said, if you have any questions, go to the comments below and tell me your questions. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. You can also click on bulk edit if you want to edit like anything here, for example, the price or the look like the availability, like if you want to add more. For example, I'm going to add here 3. Okay, I'm going to add here 1. I'm going to click on save. As you can see, it will appear here too. That's exactly how you can add different variants to your Shopify product page. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.